Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin. I hope everybody's safe and well in these uncertain times. Everybody's staying at home and staying safe. So I'm going to do a video coming up with my DJI Mavic Air. Just some accessories that I've purchased over the last few months just to accompany the Mavic Air. So it's just a few accessories that I've bought that I think might be useful to some DJI Mavic Air owners around there. So this is the DJI Mavic Air, as everybody knows, the drone, really good drone. So the next video that's coming up is a video with some accessories that I've purchased over the last few months. So that video is coming up now. So I hope everybody stays safe, stay at home and enjoy the video, because you know not a lot of people can fly drones at the moment because they're locked down, but once this is passed and we will get through this, you can start flying the drone again. So the video is coming up now. Enjoy the video and have a good day and stay safe. Hi, welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. My name's Kevin. So this is the DJI Mavic Air, and I'm just going to show you some accessories that I've purchased for the Mavic Air. Okay, so if you could subscribe and like to my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets, and if you're new, could you comment and like below on the channel? That'd be much appreciated. Okay. So the first accessory that I've got here is a Propeller Pop, which protects the propellers. Yeah, I'll just put that to one side. So here it is. So it's a Star RC there, if you can just see that. So what this does is it protects the propellers when you put it back into its case. Okay. So that's it. So I'll just bring the Mavic Air back in. So when you fold it up now, so fold it like that, put that one under there, that under there. So as they're sort of flopping about, if you get this now and put that in there, that slots in there like that, and that protects the actual propellers there, as you can see. So it just makes it a bit more sturdy for them to be protected when you put them back in the case. So I'll just get the case now, and it does fit in the case. So this is the case, the Mavic Air case here. So with them intact there now, that would just slot back in like that, and it does fit in the case, okay? And you can shut the case. Even though this is a really good solid case, it just gives it that bit more protection on the props, so they're not flapping about inside the case. Prop guard there that just slot on there, which I think is really good. So that's the first accessory. So let me just put that to one side. The other accessory I've got is for your batteries. So this is the lipo safe bag, which I've purchased there by Sunny Life. Yeah, these are, you know, to protect the batteries, sorry. So they reduce the chance of damage in the event of the lipo battery with a fire. So it comes in a free pack. there. So you've got 3 sections there. Obviously I've got one battery in the Mavic Air, but they just go in there like that. Okay, so it slots in like that, so very convenient there, and that just shuts up there, so that can accommodate 3 batteries. So if you've gone for the Mavic Air Combi combo pack with the Mavic Air, you've got these as well to fit in there, so the batteries are like safe when you're transporting them about as well. So that's the Sunny Life lipo safe bag for the Mavic Air. So I'll just take those out. I will put the link below on all the accessories that I am showing you today. So that's those ones there. Now the other accessory is for the controller. So this is the Mavic Air controller. Okay. So I'm just going to show you the accessory that I've got for that. So instead of putting your phone in the bottom there, into here where it normally goes, where you slide your mobile phone into there. Okay. Now what you can do is you just get the accessory out. So here it is. It's the Cora for iPad and mobile phone. Okay, so this is the Cora. You can fit an iPad or a mobile phone on that, so it's a really good accessory. So the iPad or the mobile phone goes on the top there. Okay. And then this bit slots into where the phone usually goes into the controller. So I'll just show you that. So here's the controller here. So you'd open that up, slot those into there. So it replaces what the phone does. Oh, let me take the controller sticks out first, sorry. Yeah, with the Mavic Air you've got the controller joysticks sat in the bottom. So I'll just put those there to one side. So that slots in there like that. So it replicates the phone. So if you put your mobile phone in, so it slots in there like that. Very neat and compact. Okay. And then your mobile phone or your iPad mini sits on top of here, and it is adjustable as well for the iPad there or the phone. And then put all your connections back into there, and it goes in to there onto the mobile phone. So that's the Cora controller stand. So it just gives you a better visual. When you're flying your drone, you can get a better screen up here instead of having it down here if you're just using your mobile phone. So I think that's really good, and it just slips out there like that. And then obviously these just shut back up. Let me just put these back in because I will forget them. So that's the Mavic Air controller. So like I said, this is a really good accessory for the Mavic Air. If you want to use your iPad or just your normal mobile phone. It's a really good accessory. It's really good quality. You know, this is metal here, and like I said, I will leave the description in below. Okay, so I'll just put that one up there. The other accessory that I have got is these ND filters, which I have reviewed before. These are the newer ND filters, okay, for the Mavic Air. So these are lens filters for the Mavic Air. So you got ND polarized and just ND on these as well. So I have done a review on these before. So here they are in the box. So I have labelled them. So I've done the top ones as the ND and the polarized ones at the bottom. So these are good variable ND filters. Let me just take one out. So they come in this case here. So the one that's missing is the ND8, which is on my Mavic Air at the moment, and I can show you that in a minute. So this is what they look like. Let me just take one out. So they are variable. Obviously you got the Propeller Pro, but you know, these are really good. I think these are about £25 for the pack of 6. So these are the newer ND variable filters for the DJI Mavic Air. Okay. Like I said, I have done a review on these before. So I'll just show you what they look like as well on the Mavic Air. So just put these back in there. Let's get the Mavic Air back. So let's take that off. So that's the filter on there. As you can see there, that's the ND8 filter. So what it does as well, it also protects the lens as well on the Mavic Air. I think if you have that on, I don't really take them off, because the standard filter that comes with the Mavic Air, it's just there's no glass on it, it's just see-through. So I think these protect the lens as well on the Mavic Air. So those are the newer ND filters. So like I said, these are some accessories that I have purchased for the Mavic Air since owning it. So I will leave the link below of where you can get these accessories. I know we're going through some uncertain times at the moment, and probably not a lot of people can fly Mavic Air, but I think the accessories that I've bought are really good, and like I said, I will leave the link below. So if you could subscribe, like and comment on this video, and I'll see you soon in the next video.